Suppose you want to add this dress to this model but you don't have Photoshop. Also, you don't want to spend money to subscribe any AI tools. Today I'll show you how to add any clothes to any person without Photoshop. And the best part is, it's totally free. We're gonna use Google Gemini. This is a free account. First, upload the photos. I have the dress photo and the model photo separately. I will write this prompt. Keep it simple, just write what you need. If you want, you can copy and paste it for your photo. You can choose different models, but let's keep the default one. Now submit. Give Gemini a few seconds and here's the result. It maintained the same dress and the same model. Let's do one more example. This time I'll use these photos. I'll write the same prompt. I just changed it to green dress. Everything else is the same. Now click the submit button. Wait few seconds and there you go. The dress and the model remain the same. So this is how you can easily add clothes to your model. Like, share and subscribe for more tricks and tutorials every week. Thanks for watching.